Hello everyone, Tom from everystepphysics.com, everystepcalculus.com. Physics test problem. A 5-gram bullet is fired horizontally into a 1.2 kilogram wooden block resting on a horizontal surface. The coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.2. The bullet remains embedded in the block, which is observed to slide 0.23 meters along the surface before stopping. What was the initial speed of the bullet? Let's show you how my programs do on this one. Physics to get to my menu. And we're going to scroll down to bullet pendulum. This is a bullet surface, but they're the same calculations, except there wouldn't be a rise off the surface like there would be in a pendulum where it's on a string and is arcing. And we're going to, this is embedded in a block, so we need to choose bullet in block, number 3. You can press the number before. This is on a surface, not on a string, so we're going to press number 2. And is there friction? Yes. And we want to find the distance? No. We want to find the initial velocity of the bullet. We're going to enter the bullet's mass. We have to press alpha before we enter anything into here. Alpha, 5 grams. Notice the conversions in my programs. Notice a lot of things. These are things you cannot get anywhere else but my programs. You can't get it on Physics Made Easy. You can't get it on the TI website. And not even any apps in any computer or anything. These are the only where you get them because they were made for me, and that's what I needed for tests and for homework. And if you could program, that's what you'd be programming me too. Enters mass is the block's mass. That's 1.2 kilograms. We're going to press alpha 1.2. Kilogram number 2. Press the numbers before. Sliding distance. It's given as alpha 0.23. And meters, and the coefficient of kinetic friction is alpha 0.2. Now we show you what you've entered. These are all correct. Say it's okay. Here's the first calculations. Notice the main formula, m1 plus m2. I always give good indications of what I'm talking about in physics because it always bothered me that you never knew what they were talking about most of the time. A lot of times they have S for distance. I like to have a D because it's distance or displacement. Makes sense to me. And you enter the variables here. And with these calculations, write everything on your paper. Here's the answer, 228.95 meters per second. That's the initial velocity of the bullet. Pretty neat, huh? everystepphysics.com. Go to my site, buy my programs. Subscribe to me if you want to see more movies. It's fun to see these.